Hello, Nomad Sculpt Create Alpha Complete. Um, I show you how to create an alpha brush in Nomad Sculpt. Add a box, um, turn on the wireframe and validate it and subdivide it a few times. Go to the front view, lock the front view and bring it in position, turn the wireframe off, and now you can clay something. Um, and when you need scales, and you can look at it, you can also use a mat cap, for example, like this, to see it clearer. Um, and um, yes, and lock the front view, zoom it in a position that you like, and then go to the interface settings and turn on the height map. In the the view is the best for this, always the front view, front or top view. You can check it if you rotate the cube. There are different results of the yes, and it's the black is clear at the borders in this view. Yes, I don't need it so much, but sometimes I make such a brush, such a alpha, and then go to the project and render and custom render and export as a PNG in 1080 export it, and then save image. It's done, and now you can turn off the height map, and you can now use a stamp brush and add the alpha from the photos and this one, and now you can test it, rotate the view, and oh, symmetry is on, and now you got your alpha, and you can adjust the intensity and you can create a new alpha with a and but sorry, at this side the height map is not correct, because it works only proper on this side. Okay, and yes, you can delete the front side and brush it again and make another alpha brush. Yes, that's the way it works. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.